Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Collins, and I'm currently at the Omu Road in Ketu-Epe, where the road construction and dualization of the road is currently ongoing. So the reason for this video is to show you what is going on here, and also drive down to Alphamark City Phase 3 from the Omu Road, where the construction is currently ongoing. Alphamark City Phase 3 is less than 2 minutes drive from the Omu Road, and also the estate is directly facing another proposed road according to the Ekwe master plan that will be coming all the way from the Ketu-Epe roundabout and straight down to connect to Omu Road. A lot of investors who subscribe to this estate want to see what the road connection is, and that is why I have decided to show you this update. And if today is your first time on this channel, this is a channel where we discuss everything real estate, a channel where we provide you with safe, secured, profitable real estate investment. And I'd like you to please subscribe, comment, and share this video. Thank you.